Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make Venmo transactions private. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. And now let's get into it. So you can see right here I have this article from clark.com in front of me, and it has the step-by-step guide on how to make Venmo transactions private. If you want to access this page, then check out the description. You will see that I left you the link there. Now as I scroll down a little bit, you can see this title, How to Make Venmo Private. It says Venmo allows you to view your personal transactions feed on the Me tab inside the app. On Venmo.com, you can see your transactions when you toggle on the Me icon. See this image below. And first, we will show you how to change your privacy settings in the Venmo app. Then we'll show you how to do that on the Venmo website. So for the Venmo app, first step is to open the Venmo app and tap on your profile picture labeled Me in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. After that, tap the gearbox icon in the top right-hand corner of the page and to open the settings menu in the image below above the icon on the right. Tap on privacy, and after that, under default privacy settings, tap on private. And you will have to confirm your choice by tapping the change anyway link inside the pop-up box. You can also make all the previous transactions private by tapping past transactions under the more heading in the app. Now, if you want to do that on the website, here's what to do. First step is to log into your account on the Venmo website. After that, on the left side of the screen, click on Settings. And next to that, you want to click Privacy, and finally click Feature Payments and select Private. You can also make all previous transactions private on the site by selecting Change to Private under Past Payments on a desktop. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.